Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the basics of navigating Active Inspire, and this is Active Inspire Studio. So I have a pre-made at Flipchart that I made before with the background, the text, and everything. And over here to the left is the page browser. You can pin it if you want it to stay placed, or you can let it go so it can just open when you scroll over it. So we're going to hit the page button to go to the next page. And in my class, we use these for math every day. So we put the solve and share up, which my kids have in their book, and I write the text up here. When I go to solve it, I've actually made this object a duplicate object. So I can just drag a copy, however many that I need. So if I were solving that Kara puts 30 toys into 5 party bags, she puts the same number of toys into each bag. How many toys are in each bag? Solve this problem any way you choose. So I always have my students underline the question. So we go through, we underline, and you can write on it with a pen. You can do this right on your board. Then I have them go through and we circle any important information. So there's 30 toys, they're putting them into 5 party bags. I go back onto my arrow. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So they can tell me how many toys are in each bag. Then we go on to the next problem, and I have my objective. And it's as easy as this to just type. You just double click, it goes right on it, click off, easy as that. So we go through our objective, we see what we're learning, we read the whole thing, it's color coded. This is something that we do at my school every day for every lesson. So I would drag the what, I would drag the how, and then the why we give. So I have a object over top that I can use this little feature here, and it's a transparency slider, so I can make the red box transparent to reveal the why. Same thing with our math practices. I reveal the why with the transparency slider. Then I can go on to my visual learning. And when you click on this, it's actually a link. I put a picture in and I linked it to the visual learning that's on Pearson Realize. So I'd go right on here. Here's the visual learning. It pulls up into my Internet Explorer. You can click play, see all of the video. It stops when you need to. And then I go back to my flip chart. So once I'm done with that page, I go on. Here's another example. You can write on it, you can show them however you want to. You can write on the Promethean board. It's really nice. Then I go into my guided practice. I write the answer fact, write some more, 2 plus whatever, or in this case, 30 divided by 3, whatever it is. We go into the convince me where my students have this in their book as well. They write down, I put them in small groups. Here are small groups, every day, teacher time, partner practice, tech time. And I leave this up on the board while we're in small groups so they can look back up. We go into the assessment, and then that's the end of our flip chart.